All right, today is Tuesday. Get to my right page. We're starting with our rhymes. Remember, we do the nonsense word, and then you say not the and tell me the word that rhymes with it. Today, our category is things we eat. This is going to be tough. Wetzels, not Wetzels. Pretzels. Banana, not banana. Banana. Zapples, not zapples. Apples. Zucumber, not zucumber. Cucumber, very good. Fleetza, not fleetza. Pizza, my favorite. Okay, onset fluency. Faye felt faint. Do dolphins dive down deep? Duh. He hears happy humming. Huh. Indeed, information is important. Yesterday yaks yawned. Yeah, very good. There were some hard ones in there. Okay, blending onset and rhyme. Repeat after me. Gave, gave. Kite, kite. Amp, ramp. Oak, joke. Asked, cast. Each, peach. Very good. Isolating final sounds. I'll say the two words, you repeat the two words, then tell me the last sound in the word, the final sound. Take, walk. Bread, did. Page, huge. Save, give. Rope, top. Good. Okay, we're segmenting. That means we need our choppers. I'll do it, then you do it. Late. Ate. Camp. Amp. Chill. Ill. Mute. Ute. Hive. I've. Beach. Each. Okay, I'm going to add initial phonemes. That means the beginning sound. We have ite. Add k at the beginning to make ite, kite. Good. Now I'll just practice that first one. We have ice. Add at the beginning to make mice. We have I'm. Add d at the beginning to make dime. We have ein. Add n at the beginning to make ein, nine. We have I'd. Add at the beginning to make ride. Now I'm taking that initial sound away. We have cube without k. What's left? Ube. We have dude without d. What's left? Ood. We have huge without h. What's left? huge. We have June without J. What's left? Un. We have mule without What's left? Yule. We have cute without K. What's left? Ute. Okay, we're substituting phonemes. We have rain. Change to s. What's the word? Sang, sang. We have sang. Change s to b. What's the word? Bang. We have bang. Change b to What's the word? Rain. We have ring. Change to b, and we have bang. Oh, I got off there. That's okay. Counting our words in our sentences. We like swimming underwater. Underwater is one word. Don't let that fool you. Go ahead. Okay. We like swimming underwater. If you remembered that's one word, you got 4. Good job. Who is ringing the doorbell? Who is ringing the doorbell? Doorbell is one word. 5. How many hats does the cowboy have? That's a big one. I'll give you a little bit of time. Okay. How many hats does the cowboy have? 7. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.